Tonight, J&J says it's ready to ship millions of doses within days after an FDA advisory panel recommended the FDA go ahead with emergency use authorization.
We're dealing with a pandemic right now, this is like a very urgent thing. We're in a race between the virus mutating, new variants coming out that can cause further disease, and stopping it.
With full FDA approval, Johnson's vaccine will become the third to go into Americans' arms. While the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines may be somewhat more effective at preventing illness, J&J's version requires just one dose, is already effective against new variants, and is 100% effective at preventing hospitalizations and death. Again today, Dr. Fauci urged Americans not to forego that level of protection in hopes of getting a different vaccine.
Get vaccinated. The vaccine that's available to you, get that vaccine.
At Emergent Biosolutions in Baltimore, they've been working round the clock for months making J&J's critical ingredients.
We purify out the viral vectors, which are the active part of the vaccine. We freeze it down, we ship it out of here, and it's filled into the vials that patients are accustomed to receiving or seeing when they get a vaccine shot.
J&J says 4 million doses could go next week, 20 million by the end of March, the third vaccine in the pandemic arsenal. Today, the White House announced nearly 50% of those 65 and older have already received at least one vaccine dose. Meanwhile, President Biden was today at a FEMA vaccination site outside the stadium where the Houston Texans play.
This can be a great American achievement, being the only country in the world to reach 100 million shots in 100 days. This could unite us as a country to vaccinate America.
Tom joins us now from that lab in Baltimore. Tom, they're also producing the AstraZeneca vaccine there, and that's not approved in the U.S., right?
That's right. It's approved in the UK and the EU. Canada approved it today, and they've been manufacturing it for when the FDA does approve it. Could be several months from now, Lester.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.